Yo, what's up my lovely pocket pickers? It's your boy the Welsh Pocket Picker, and today's Sunday morning, and me and the boys have come to the Ikea Carboot Sale again. So only now the cars are rocking up. Some of the boys are already pacing back and forth. I'm in no mad rush, but let's see what bargains we can find. And I've already got a small bag, but I've got a big strong bag in there, the big bag of bargains, just in case we might find an absolute ton. So let's see what bargains we can find. See some of the cars are unpacking a bit, but not much is coming out so far. Whoa, 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 what are they? Games? Any good ones?
Never played that. Still not played that.
Box of teddies. Here.
That's £1. I'll have the coin first anyway.
Always worth pacing back and forth. Oh, that's cute. Terry's chocolate orange.
Do you think it's all right to leave George there on his own? Oh, yeah. But aren't you afraid he might find your chocolate orange? No, I think it's quite safe.
Terry's famous chocolate orange. Smooth milk chocolate with real oil of orange. How safe is yours?
Oh, how much is the mug, please?
£1?
Yeah, I'll have that for £1, please. Don't know if she knows that's in the box. First pickup of the day, Terry's chocolate orange mug. Bit random, but still, for £1, you can't go wrong. Right, let's have another look around. That's cool. Harry Potter. Cowboys Crunch.
There is a Friday feeling. I get it every day. And when I get that feeling, then a crunchy comes my way. It's that Friday feeling.
How much is that mug as well?
£1?
Yeah, hell of that as well.
The other one.
More cars are rocking up. Ashtrays. No. God, there's so much here. I'm always going to keep looking in these places. Action one.
Seen you on YouTube.
Oh, cheers, mate. Thanks.
If you're interested, I'll, do a deal for
Odd.
you.
They're for retard. Party pigs. See if there's any shrink. Oh. Is it a little figure? Excuse me, how much is the belt? It's alright. Yeah, I'll have that for £1, thank you. Another nice little bit of brass for the brass bucket for £1. Can't go wrong. Well, they're nice badges. Nice.
It's got the remote control, £5.
How much is the key? Yeah, I'll have it for 50 minutes. That's like that.
Yeah. Let me have a look at it, telling me.
So there you are, guys, we've just been to the boot sale. All we spent was about £3.50. 3 items. That's weird for me because I normally manage to find loads. Oh well. We'll head back to the pub cave and I'll show you the bits. But yeah, it was lovely to see Matthew. And yeah, had a cracking weekend with the Cardiff card show and the small boot sale, so not bad. And we're back in the Poke Cave, guys, and here are the items we had from the boot sale. So the first one is the crunchy, and oh no, that was the first one. The cherry chocolate orange, and these two, they were £1 each. That's the bell. But I might either see I can get some other bells or just put it in the scrap pile. And this was only 50p. So the Jemima is by Royal Albert. It's probably not worth much, but probably a couple of quid. So yeah, £3.50 for everything. So we're not done bad, guys. I know we didn't find much, but can't always find much in the boot sale. So if you enjoyed this small little video, guys, as always, make sure to leave a like, and as always, make sure to Thunder Punch, Bubble Beam, Rock Smash, Earthquake. Oh, don't break anything. That subscribe button down below. I've been your boy Welsh Poke Picker. Keep on picking. Peace.